Fetch live oil and natural gas prices instantly using our high-performance multi-language blueprint. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build live energy prices instantly via REST API. Python. Import requests, define your API key and symbols, construct the URL using an f-string, call requests.get and parse with response.json. Run app.python and voila, live energy quotes are streaming to your console. Node.js. Define API key and symbols. Use an async function with await fetch, check response.ok and parse the JSON stream. Run app.js and voila, real-time energy data is now live. Go. Construct the URL with fmt sprint. Perform the request with http.get, read with io readall and map bytes using json.unmarshal. Run app.go and voila, mission-critical risk models are now online. Z++. Include curl, implement write callback for the buffer, initialize and execute via curl easy perform. Clean up the handle after output. Run app.exe and voila, zero latency market transparency achieved. If you don't have an API key, head over to TraderMade.com and request a trial. By signing up, you can get a data trial of the API. This gives you full access to real time so you can integrate under real market conditions.
To watch more tutorials like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.